Looking for a bakeware pan that delivers perfectly browned brownies and easy cleanup every time? The Wilton non-stick biscuit brownie pan offers just that. Designed with heavy gauge steel, it ensures even heating across the entire surface, so your baked goods come out flawless. No hot spots, no uneven edges. Plus, its non-stick coating means your treats slide right off without sticking or breaking apart. What sets this pan apart is the thoughtful construction details. The embossed pan dimensions on the handles eliminate guesswork when measuring, and the absence of toxic coatings means no harmful chemicals or peeling flakes end up in your food. The smooth roll edge and superior mirror finish not only look great but also make cleaning quick and hassle-free. You'll appreciate how sturdy it feels in your hands. No warping, even after repeated use, and those deep full sides keep liquids and ingredients contained, preventing spills in your oven. I switched to Wilton after trying their jelly roll pan and was impressed by how easy it was to clean, even after heavy use. Using a simple bartender's friend cleaner brought the pan back to near new condition without any rust or damage. The 11 by 7 inch size hits the sweet spot for brownies and small roasted dishes, making it versatile enough for everyday baking. If you want reliable bakeware that lasts and performs, this pan is worth a look. Ready to upgrade your baking game? The Wilton non-stick biscuit brownie pan combines durability, precision, and easy maintenance in one package. With a 5-year warranty backing its quality, it's a smart investment for home bakers who value consistent results and convenience. Try it when you're ready to enjoy baking without the stress of sticky pans or uneven cooking.